That redwood. Why will you give up breaking? You far. You got to the red one. I was on me, fine to me, yeah?
Okay.
Pastor Gibson, what did you feel when you first saw the Dellanna West O'Brien School?
Oh dear, jeez. I don't know where to start, but I was in a state of confusion, disbelief. I bet the only thing that helped me was I saw it on video, but still when I walked into the space, I kind of had cold feet because I was accustomed to going there, seeing the offices, go to the staff, go in the classrooms. But this time it was different. There was no office, no classroom to go to. It was just rubble. Maybe like Jeremiah looking at Jerusalem when it was destroyed. And you were wondering, God, how did this happen? Where were you when the bulldozer was coming? Yeah, but God answered my question, you know, so I was always there. But I'm going to turn this situation around for my glory. So I wasn't angry, but I was disappointed. I was hurt. Yes, that somebody would do such a thing.
Today, driver, I post on you. I better post on you.
What do you love about Dellanna West O'Brien Learning Center?
One, I love the teaching staff and also the academic capacity in the school, and also the uniform color actually attractive. It encourage so many people a lot.
So the uniform attracted you?
Yes.
How did you feel when you saw or heard about the destruction of your school?
Well, I feel so discouraged, and also actually I feel hurt, and either it led me to anger that I could do anything.
How did you feel when you heard or saw that your school was destroyed?
I feel very bad. I thought we were not going to in our school year.
But it will all become a reality when we give dollars. So for those of you who never done it before, put feet to your prayers. Just trust God, try. It may be $1 or $2, $10, $20, and see what God will do with that money. You will make a child smile. You will make a teacher want to come to work every day. You will make a parent rejoice when graduation comes. Take some risk and put your faith to action. The Bible says faith without works is dead. Will you please join us in this effort?